Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a very quick guide on how you can use Gemini AI in Google Docs. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your document once you're on your Google Docs. So, yeah, for example, this document right here, and then you will just have to wait for it to load, of course. So, yeah. Once you're inside your document, what you will have to do is look for the Gemini icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then you will just have to click that. And once you click that, you will just have to click try it out if you haven't already. So yeah. So basically, you do have to avail a membership first before actually proceeding. So you can either get Google AI Plus, Google AI Pro, Google AI Ultra. So it really depends on your needs. So make sure to choose the right one for your needs. So you will just have to basically check the description, which fits you the best and which is the most suitable one for you. So yeah, so you just have to be mindful and careful with what you want to choose for your needs. And yeah, that's basically just it. And once you've already availed a plan or a membership, you will have to click this again, and you will just basically have to allow Gemini to be integrated to your Google Docs, and then you can now type your command. So you can either fix your grammar, rewrite paragraphs, generate a chapter, summarize long text, create outlines, expand ideas. So yeah, you can basically just do anything you want with Gemini AI. It's really helpful and useful, and yeah, that's basically just it. And you could also highlight your text here. So for example, you want if for example you highlight this text for direct editing, so you will basically just select a paragraph, and then you will just have to right click right click like this, and you should see the option which is help me write with Gemini right here. So that is only if you already have Gemini AI on your Google Docs. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.